Hello everyone, this is Devashish Mishra. Today we will discuss BPUT odd semester examination selected questions for basic electrical engineering for the year 2020 and 2021. So, before going to discuss, we should discuss the question pattern. Question pattern is same for each branch. For first year students, I am just telling the question pattern. It is same for each branch. So, do not worry all about the question pattern. I will explain it very easily. So, your total mark will be 100 marks. It is the previous year question 2019 and 20. It is the previous year question, and this year will be same type of question pattern will come. So maximum mark is 100 marks. Time is 3 hours. Mind it, time is 3 hours. So three parts is there. Answer question number 1, which is part 1, which is compulsory. That means you have to attend all the questions. Okay. So in the next part 2, any 8 from part 2 and any 2 from part 3. So at part 1 there are 10 questions and each question carries 2 marks. So you have to attend all the questions, and total question is 20 marks and each question carries 2 marks. Only short answer type questions, all 10 questions you have to attend. So in the part 2, you just see only focused short answer type questions. Answer any 8 out of 12. So 12 question will be there. You have to attend 8 and each question carries 6 marks. So it is 8 into 6 is 48 marks. This is your part 2. And in part 3, you can see clearly only long answer type questions will be there, and answer any 2 out of 4. Each question carries 16 marks. So you have to attend only 2 questions, which will be 16 plus 16 will be 32 out of 4 questions. 4 16-mark question will be there. You have to attend only 2, 16 and 16. Okay, got my point? I think you will be clear all about the pattern of the question. Next, I will discuss the important question which may arise in your exam, in your BEE exam, that is your basic electrical engineering examination, that may be come. So you can see that is for each and every batch. First year, you know that each semester, sorry, first year, each branch is same question. So you just see I have selected some important questions. So you just see it. First question is state and explain Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law, which is very important. So state and explain Kirchhoff's current and voltage law. You just prepare it. Then explain superposition theorem with suitable example. Then explain nodal analysis and mesh analysis with suitable example. Define Thevenin's theorem and explain in steps with proper diagram. Then you define Norton's theorem with proper example. Then define RMS value, average value and form factor. Then explain active power, reactive power and apparent power, which is very important for your basic electrical engineering. Then explain series RLC circuit. Question number 9. Explain delta star conversion and star delta conversion. Then explain power measurement by 2 wattmeter method. Then explain BH curve for magnetic materials and hysteresis laws. Then explain operation and construction of single phase transformer. Then derive EMF equation of a single phase transformer. Explain and draw transformer phasor diagram of no load and on load. Explain short circuit and open circuit test of transformer. Derive EMF equation of DC generator. Explain working principle of DC motor and importance of back EMF. Then derive the speed equation of DC motor. Explain principle of induction motor. Last question is, what is the concept of sleep in induction motor? These are the very important questions, important long questions for your semester. In my next video, I will provide you the short questions which will be very important for your exam. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.